Hey, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing our TCS asset, that is our TCS laptop that we got from TCS. So as you can see, they've given us the box and everything, and as for the price mentioned in the box, it is about 45,000, but on the website it is around 60 or 70,000. So anyways, here are all the goodies that we get. So as you might know, we get the laptop itself, and we also get a Lenovo laptop bag. Now this bag, it does not feel very premium. It feels good but not very premium. And as for storage compartments, you get about two or three zips, counting the zips on the side. And once again, this is the zip. This is the main compartment where you can keep your laptop and your charger and stuff. And this is the secondary compartment where you can store some pens and all. And you also get a mouse in the bag. I'll get on this a bit later. So, and also you get some warranty information about the bag and so on. So anyways, as you can see, standard Lenovo laptop bag. Let's keep this aside. Now let's take a look at the mouse. So now this is a standard generic USB mouse which is not wireless, and as for the price, you can see it is around 600 Indian rupees. Let me just focus the camera right here. Okay, you can see 600 rupees, 662 rupees or something. Okay, now so here's the mouse, and as you can see, the mouse feels relatively good. Like, it doesn't feel cheap in particular. Like, it's relatively good to the hand and so on. And once again, it's a very standard basic mouse, a Lenovo branded one and everything. And as you can hear, the clicks are very satisfying, but also it is very loud, as you can hear. And it feels good to click the buttons. Now let's go ahead and look at our laptop, our ThinkPad laptop. On the right side, you can see that we get a charging brick for a laptop. Now the charging brick for a laptop, the wires relatively long and so on. And as you can see on the adapter, it charges at 65 watts, which is really fast and really good for a laptop. And you get the standard 3 pin output like here, and on the other end you get a type C charging cable. So if in case you also have a USB type C charging phone, you can charge your phone with this laptop charger. So that is a really good benefit. Now let's go ahead and look at the laptop itself. So now my initial impression of the laptop is that it feels really premium in the hand. And as you can see, there are already some fingerprints in the laptop. That is because I've been using the laptop for a couple of days now, and let me tell you that this laptop is like a fingerprint magnet. It catches all your fingerprints, and it is made up of a mix of metal and plastic body. And as you can see right here on the right side, we have a Ethernet port right here. We have a USB standard and a Kensington lock. And as for the left side, we get a charging port, a USB type C charging port with one more USB, I think it is 3.0, and HDMI, as well as a audio jack. And as for the back side, you can see there are some vents at the back. This is the fan part, and the exhaust goes out from under the screen. Let's just go ahead and open the laptop. Now once again, the laptop feels really good and feels really premium and sturdy and strong. So that is a really good bonus. And also the keys feel really good and premium and so on. And also the trackpad feels really smooth and it's fun to type on. And once again, if you know that you get a left click and a right click, as well as a middle button function key. As for the power button, you get a fingerprint plus power button combo, so that is really good. But the fingerprint is disabled by the company, so that is pretty bad. And as you can see right here, we get exhaust vents, one on the left side and one on the right side, which I cannot really show you right now because it is being blocked by the darkness. And we get our standard IDEA ThinkPad trackball. As for the processor, we get a Ryzen 5 5500U processor with AMD Radeon Vega 7, which is really good. In the box we get some usual warranty information. As you can see, this is a ThinkPad E14 Gen 3. It's not an E15 because we have the 14-inch version and not the 15-inch. Now let's go ahead and start up the laptop. So the booting speeds are relatively fast, but not that fast because it has to load up all the company apps and so on. Let's just go ahead and enter my login details. Okay, so now here we are on the home screen, and once again the trackpad feels really good. The keys feel really great to type on, and the brightness also goes up to pretty high, like not all that high, but relatively high. And we have a webcam with a privacy shutter, which is really good, and it is electronic, which means that it can detect whether the webcam is shut if you're attempting to open your camera. Also, the viewing angles are really great and it is really fun to use. Like, only drawback is that the screen is relatively small. Like, if your personal laptop is a 15-inch and then you're coming to a 14-inch, it will feel really small, but also it feels really portable. Now, one more thing is that in the Microsoft Store, as you can see, all the apps are currently disabled. Like, as you would get your Asphalt 8 and so on, your Facebook Messenger, Instagram and so on, all those apps won't be available from this laptop to download, and it's basically locked from everything. Let me just go ahead and show you some of the specs. So as you can see right here, Ryzen 5 5500U with 16 GB of RAM. Now as for the storage, we have a Samsung 256 GB M.2 small form factor SSD. So the laptop feels really great. It's really smooth and really fast and all, and everything is great, and I'm really happy with this laptop. I feel one of the only drawback is that the keyboard is not backlit, and also the trackpad where you keep your hand on is plastic, but the outer casing, which is the screen, this is metal. And one more good thing is that it has an LED indicator on the ThinkPad logo. So all these things, like, there are usual ups and downs for the laptop. And once again, the screen is really small, so that is the case. And as for downloading anything, basically everything is blocked, as you can see. So I'm going to demonstrate going into YouTube. So YouTube websites open, but they won't play any video. Like, the videos are currently blocked. So as a result, you can't do anything. You can, however, surf the web or anything, but you can't download or you can't install any other apps other than company apps. So anyways guys, that is it about this laptop. Once again, it's really great. And as you can see right here, 2 speakers, bottom firing and all. So thank you so much for watching guys, and peace out.